Hunter, stop. Hunter, stop. Are you sure that was a good present, Grandma? Hunter, stop. No more.
That's enough.
I'm going to take it away.
I don't want you to.
Well, don't shoot it.
Good thing it does this.
That!
What is it?
Dude, it's a motorcycle pocket bike. Dude.
You got a phone call to make.
Ugh. Wait, but I'm not done.
Okay, you're gonna have to open it up at this end.
Where's the...
You've had a knife, man.
Oh no. Oh, it's right there.
Set it up right there.
Holy, I turned it over? I must have been that excited. I didn't even know. Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna shoot.
Dude!
That.
Red!
Here's the goblin, Daddy. Here's the goblin.
Yeah,
Daddy, here's the goblin.
this is an item
Daddy,
that you will not have any whatsoever your friends ass sitting on it. Do you understand?
here's the goblin.
Are you listening to me?
What?
Not one of your friends are
Holy
even to go.
snap!
Oh, go on it.
What?
You understand? Yeah. No.
Buster's eating that silly string.
Here's the goblin.
Can't picture that. I got spider webs all over. Well, John's gonna have to help me put this.
Oh my. Snap!
This is a. It can hold up to 200.
Buster, no.
pounds. John can.
Yeah.
Dude, snap! Dude! Oh!
Colton just... He has Tourette's too, I think.
That little tank was 20 miles.
Motorcycle?
Oh, it's gas!
Yeah?
Snap!
What does that mean?
Hunter, no more. You might need to take that away from him.
Help her, man. No, do not do that.
Here's the toolkit and the seat pad
Buster, no. Buster, no.
and the snap.
Colty, can you pick up that candy cane there, please? Hunter?
Holy snap, Mom.
Hunter, stop
Snap.
it. Stop it, okay? Because.
Snap.
You're
Snap.
not gonna be able to ride it until you get the helmet and all your protective gear.
Crap. You serious?
I'm serious.
You have to put it together, buddy. It doesn't work yet. You have to put it together.
I know.
Okay.